Well, everyone, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pros are headphones that Samsung has basically made. And they're very good types of headphones, they're very awesome. So you might be trying to figure out exactly how you can use these particular headphones. Now, in the box, you don't get anything super crazy. You just get your standard type of, casing and everything like that, and a charger inside. So there's not really much in the box besides the case themselves. Now, with the Galaxy Buds 4 Pros, on the exterior, you do get this glossy type of finish. So it's a little bit more of a glossy type of feel. It is also very clear, so keep that in mind. On the back side, you do get your charging port. So you do have that charging port right there. You can go through and hold down the pairing button on the back to power them on. You have this wireless charging pad at the bottom that allows you to charge it up. Then you also have this case right here. Now, if you ever want to charge these particular headphones, you can place it on a wireless charger. That's a really easy thing you can do there. Or what you can also do is you can grab the little thing on the back side and you can also just plug it into the charging port this way. So you have that type of capability there of basically just being able to plug it in and charge it up. Now, when you open it up for the first time, you'll be able to see your headphones here. Now, within your headphones, again, they're very, very easy types of usable headphones. You can take off the headphones like this and you'll be able to see that they're just standard types of headphones. So you can take them out, you can put them in your ear, and you can also just put them back inside of the case here. Now, one of the first things you're probably going to want to do is basically pair it up with your device. So to first of all pair it up with Android phones, it's a little bit of a different process for both. But to pair it up with an Android phone like I have here, what you're going to want to do first is you want to go and make your way over to your settings application. So just like this, make your way over to settings. So hop over into your Bluetooth settings right over here, and you want to tap on pair new device. And all you're going to want to do is make sure your case is open like this, and you've basically clicked on this powering button. If you see a little light on the front, then you'll basically be good. From here, you can tap onto your headphones like this. It'll show you that you can go and pair them up. You want to click pair, and it will start the pairing process for these headphones. And you'll see that they'll be fully paired and they'll be good to go. Now, if you want to pair them up with an iPhone, it's also a it's basically the same type of process for the most part. Now, on iPhones, if you want to pair your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros with your iPhone, like how I have here, it's essentially the same process. So make sure your case is open, make sure your case is plugged in, tap open on your settings application on your iPhone, scroll down to Bluetooth, which we have right here, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled and that it's on. Now, at the very bottom of your Bluetooth panel, you'll be able to see this page. What we want to do here is you can try just closing the case and opening up the case again. Sometimes that might trigger something on your case to then go kind of be in pairing mode. If not, you can hold down on that back button of your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros that you have right here. Hold down on that back button until these cases basically just turn on. And it'll start going in syncing mode like how you have here. And then from here, you can also just tap straight onto your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros this way. And that's another way of kind of connecting these two together. So at that point, you should be fully connected. And now these Galaxy Buds 4 Pros will be connected here. Now, with your actual headphones, after you pair them up, they're basically good to go. There's not really anything else super insane or super crazy that you really have to kind of know about here. They're your standard types of headphones. Now, if you ever wanted to replace the ear tips on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros, this is also a very easy process too. Now, on the end of your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros, you have these little ear tips that you have right over here. So what you can do is you can go through and kind of like peel these things off a little bit like this. Be careful not to like actually scratch it or tear them. You can kind of grab them and you can kind of take them off. So there's an easy way of kind of doing it. So typically what I do is I kind of unpeel this thing this way, and I kind of just try my best to kind of like peel this thing off this way. Maybe you can pry it off from the side. It took a little bit more time than I thought it was going to, but at this point you can kind of remove them this way, and then you can kind of align it back. So you can see right here you have these lining situations here. You do the exact same thing, you kind of just place them in right like that, and then it'll click into place, and you can peel this thing, kind of unpeel it or whatever, peel it back this way, and it'll be good to go, and you can basically put them back in your ear. So if you ever wanted to change them out, the box also has extra ear tips in case you want to change them out. You can also do it that way as well. So there's a couple of different things you can kind of do here. There's a lot of different cool things you can do within your Galaxy Buds 4 Pros. But ultimately, the big thing I'll probably tell you is that if you own a pair of headphones like this, They're very good headphones. They give you a lot of capability, and they're some of the best headphones you can basically buy. So I will tell you, if you're in the market, definitely get them. They're definitely going to be great. And that's basically how you go ahead and use them. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.